Hey everyone, if you're looking for a super fun car, then check out this 2018 Kia Soul. It has a backup camera, media center, and more. I'm Alana here at Woodys Automotive Group in Chillicothe and Lee Summit, Missouri, the highest rated dealership in Middle America and Dealer Rater's Dealer of the Year for 2017 and 2018. You can find out why by going to over10,000reviews.com. So it comes in this bright red exterior color, which I adore. You have your Kia badge right there in the middle, and you have the iconic Kia Soul look. It's super fun with your headlamps up front and your fog lamps below that. And this has a 2-liter inline-4 engine. Then looking down at your wheels, those are 17-inch alloy wheels. And then you also have your little Soul badge on the side right there. Then over to your side mirrors, they are power adjustable. Okay, so looking at these front seats, we have these black and gray cloth seats. Has a super cool pattern in the middle of those seats. You also have some exposed stitching on the sides. And then looking at your steering wheel, you have your radio controls, Bluetooth streaming, and your cruise controls on the front. And looking over at your media center, you have lots of options. All of your radio stuff is right here, and you can subscribe to Sirius XM if you choose to. You also can connect your own media device. You also have tons of apps that you can utilize, including Android Auto or Apple CarPlay to use your phone onto the screen. You have your climate controls right there, and then you can connect your phone with Bluetooth, make phone calls and stuff right there. So you also have a backup camera when you are in reverse, so you can see clearly behind your vehicle. And then below that you have your climate controls in button form, and you have a media hub down here with two 12 volts, an aux port, and a USB port. Automatic stick, you have 2 cup holders, and then plenty of room inside of your center console right there. So let's take a look at the back seats. Okay, so looking in this back seat, you have room for 3 passengers back here. You also have a cup holder armrest that can fold down, and these seats can fold forward if you want to have more room in your trunk back there. So making your way around the side, you have your back windshield wiper and your Soul badging. And then let's take a look into the trunk back here. So you have your package tray right there. And those seats can fold forward like I showed you earlier, and you have some more space underneath as well. So overall, super fun vehicle. I just love the Kia Souls and their design, and it's also super comfortable in the front seat, and you have that media center with that backup camera. So if you want to see this Kia Soul or any of our other vehicles, visit our website, WowWoodys.com, or come see our 15-acre mega lot where we have over 1,000 vehicles. I'm Alana. Until next time, wow.
I'm from Lincoln, Nebraska.
I'm from Riley, Kansas.
I'm from St. Joseph, Missouri.
Yeah, we live in Lee Summit. It was a 2-hour drive up, and it'll be a 2-hour drive back.
And it was well worth it.
Well, we have bought 2 vehicles in 3 weeks, so I think that's quite a bit right.
What do you think differentiates Woodys from other dealerships?
Price and quality.
I have so many different vehicles on the lot.